Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix Microsoft Store is stuck on installing apps. It's a very common problem, and we are going to fix it by very few steps, like two to three steps. So firstly, we need to open the File Explorer, and then we will go to this PC. You can also search File or Explorer, and you will find the space. So look at your C drive, see how much space you have. Sometimes if you're trying to download a app or game and it's occupying more space, then also it gets stuck. So firstly, you need to check the C drive. It should have at least 50 GB, and if you're installing any bigger, it should have more than that. Once you're done, close this, and then at the top right corner, bottom right corner, click on the date and time, and then click on adjust date and time. So if the time zone is not turned on, or it is not automatically turned on, then also you will face issues in Microsoft Store. So make sure these two are toggled on, and the sync should be also working. So if it's not showing the current time, you can click on sync now. All right, once you're done, close this, and then do a right click in the start icon, and then go to settings. We will go to system first. Right, and then system components. So here in system components, we will find Microsoft Store right there. Now here we will click on the three dots. We will go to advanced option, and if it's power optimized, well and good. All right, so once it is done, scroll down more and click on terminate. Immediately terminate this system component and its related process. The moment we click on that, we will wait for a while, and then we will click on repair. All right, please make sure terminate and repair should have at least 30 to 40 seconds of, time duration. Once you're done with the repair, try to open the Microsoft Store. I'll just type Microsoft, and here we go. We have this Microsoft Store, and it is opened. Try to download any app, see if that works for you. All right, anything, whatever you are going to download. If you are unable to, then click on reset, and once you've done the reset, make sure it is closed, and once the reset is done, restart the PC. Restart is a must, and once you are done with the restart, wait for a while and then open the Microsoft Store and see if the app is stuck or while installing is fixed or not. For most of us, this will fix the problem. And if you still have issues, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to fix your problem. All right. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.